The birth of a democratic South Africa is one of the most significant events of the 20th century. A new democratic government had to put in place a range of measures and policies to achieve prosperity. We knew then already that the economic and social prosperity we so dearly wanted for ourselves and our children would require joint efforts from all stakeholders. We needed skilled people to drive growth and development, and the apartheid system that we inherited wasn't geared to do that. What the country really needed was a new crop of doctors, engineers, scientists, researchers, technicians, and teachers to help South Africa grow. However, the education system was not structured to supply these professionals in sufficient numbers. The Zenex Foundation was established to contribute to the development of solutions in the complex education context, with a specific focus on maths and science education, knowing that these subjects in particular were gateway subjects to fields of study leading to these professions. After extensive research, we began to understand that the school system was unintentionally creating obstacles and blockages for learners to succeed in these important gateway subjects. There weren't enough teachers, and many teachers in the system were not adequately trained. It didn't help that the school leaders were not adequately trained either. This situation was compounded by a shortage of resources, all of which was having a negative impact on the learners' chances of success. It was evident that to achieve our vision of skilled and empowered young people that could contribute towards the growth, development, and democratization of the country, the foundation had to work at multiple levels of the system. This included partnering with government, working with the school leaders, teachers, and learners. We understood the importance of combining short-term as well as long-term efforts. As such, in the short term, we urgently needed to fast-track some learners in order to deal with the more immediate needs of the country. The Zenex Foundation supports Black learners from disadvantaged communities who have potential to succeed in mathematics and science. These learners are supported through a comprehensive program which includes academic, psychosocial, and tertiary access support. In the medium to longer term, the Zenex Foundation supports teachers, those working in the schools, and those still being trained by developing subject knowledge and the skills to be able to teach mathematics and science properly. We also supply the resources that they will need. Although maths and science are the Foundation's core focus areas, we know that a solid base in language is critical for the acquisition of concepts in maths and science. We also offer support in language development. By doing this, we hope to improve the maths and science pass rate. With respect to school leaders, we offer training and support to school management teams to improve school effectiveness and efficiency. The Foundation also works with district officials to enhance their capacity to support schools. The support we offer as the Zenex Foundation works in different ways. We combine our efforts in small-scale innovations to test new ideas in education with large-scale, system-wide government-led initiatives. Zenex combines short-term interventions with longer-term milestones because we understand that change in education systems takes time. All the Foundation's work is underpinned by an evidence-based approach to better understand and inform our own work and the work of others, including that of influencing policy. In addition, the Foundation builds the capacity of the education support community. This community is critical in supporting the achievement of educational change. The community includes research agencies, NGOs, professional bodies, as well as statutory agencies. The Foundation invests effort to build the capacity of the agents to ensure that they are able to deliver on their mandates. To achieve sustainable change, we work with partners and have placed significant energy into the development of a range of partnerships in the field. From the focus areas of the learners, the teachers, and the school leaders, to the meta-level areas of system-wide support, and in leading the way in testing new ideas in education, it all adds up. The Zenex Foundation, advancing mathematics, science, and language education.